Hello and welcome again. So now we continue on this exercise. So I have the AutoCAD files. What I need to do, I need to trace now. So I have to go to middle level. I will start by the middle level. So I can see what I need to trace. Basically I will trace walls, isn't it? So how to model walls? So from architecture, I click walls, and then there is generic or basic wall, generic 200 millimeter. Now I have to be careful. I'm not sure if the dimension of this, so I can measure it. How to measure it? I will do it again. So there is the measure here, for example. Click, click, and it's 0.20, which is 20 centimeter. So I press escape, escape again, and I will click wall, which means 200 is okay for this. So but be careful here, the height, it's okay, but it should be connected. We are in middle level, it should be connected to upper level because I'm in the middle level, so it should be connected here. Now everything is okay. I can click here, I go. Should I stop here? No need to stop because it's a window, so we can bring it or host it. I will continue like this, and as you can see, if I select this, as you can see, it's big, this one. So this one should be 150, I believe. I can measure it, same thing, I can measure. So where to measure it? I can measure this. Normally they have the same. So 0 15. So this one 0 15, which is 150 millimeter. So I try to find, and it should be generic. Please don't. It should be generic and gray. No need to go to the other walls. We have 300. Seems I don't have 150. So it's not a problem. What to do? I will just click wall, and I will create edit type, and I will duplicate. I will call this duplication 150 millimeter, and I click OK, and I have to go to structure, edit, and now I have a new type, but I have to make 15, and I click OK. So now when I click OK, you see I have two now. The previous one is still here because I duplicated, and the new one that I were looking for, which is 150. So I click here and I go. Good. I click escape. I can start also from here to here, and I'm not sure if this think it's okay. Even walls, actually you can just go through, because even walls, they will be hosted, so it's okay to here I have to stop because there is no doors, there is no windows here, and then I continue. So you press escape in order to stop the, you see it's like it's a chain. So when I press escape, you will have the option to continue with a new wall. So already I finished this. Good. For these, yes, the same thing. Careful here, there is wall, and there is a very big window, but you draw a wall, and you see the dimension is little bit, you see the dimension should I have to change the wall type actually. So it should be here, it should be 200, I believe. As you can see, it's not that centered. I can use the keyboard to move it. It's always good to zoom, so precision will increase. It's okay, let's make it 200, and of course it's always connected to upper level. I will click again architecture wall, and I continue here. I'm using 150, but it's okay. I will draw it, and then I select it, and I change it to 200. Alright, let me be careful now. So I have to choose again 200. Alright, yes, let me continue here. Stop here, stop here. This one should be, think, 100. Do I have 100? I don't have 100. I have to create another one. So I click wall, duplicate, duplicate 100 millimeter, and structure should be changed also, 0.1 meter. So okay, So okay, and actually it's not 100, this one is 15 I think, so we have to try and okay, all right. So this one I can even drag, actually I can see this point. All right, I will continue drawing, following the, here I will stop because there is an arc, but this one I can select this one and sorry, I can select this one and apply the thickness, because I mean I want this one to be like this one, so I can use this, and this one I have to move it actually a little bit. Alright, so for the arc, or let me continue, I will create, click right and create similar. So there is many methods, as you can see, how to create walls or any elements in Revit. So you can create similar, you can go and start from zero. Alright, so here we need an arc. How to draw this arc? You go to architecture, walls, and the type is correct. So there is this, see that you have too many options how to draw it. You can for example use this and click, so this one you will select just the line, but it may create problem, so I think the best option is this one. You select this one, so which called 10 start end radius, and you click this point, second point, and the good thing, you still have the option or the capability to move it little bit. Can't make wall sometimes, yeah. Yeah, I think it's okay, or even I will, yeah, I will sorry, I will delete it, I will delete it, and I will start from here. So I will drag this wall and I will create the arc again from this point to this point. So sorry, I didn't select the tool of arc. Wall, arc, then I will move it a little bit so it's almost, yeah, like this is better. I still have this wall, so 150 should be, it's okay. Alright, I think now I have gone through almost of the walls, so now I'm in the middle level. As you can see, if I go to my 3D, I can see what I have done, but in order to make things easy for you actually, please do this, follow me. I will insert or import the 3D, AutoCAD 3D, so I can see what I'm doing and compare. So I will go to insert, and there is import AutoCAD, and I will import the 3D, and okay. So it has come here, so you have to unpin it and move it, because otherwise it will cover your project, and move it the best place you can say it's here. If I go to the middle level, I can see it here, but actually it's not the same direction. As you can see, this is the ramp or the stairs, they are here, and the mine is here. So what to do? I have to rotate it, isn't it? How to rotate it? You select it, there is rotate, so you click the first point in the horizontal and then you write 180, because I have to flip it 180 and press enter. So now I can compare. Look, this is my middle level, which is here, so it's really helpful, especially when it comes to designing windows actually. Now I finished the walls, so I will go back to the middle. We'll focus here. So I finished the walls basically. So what I have to do, I have to go to the lower level and do the same thing. After that, the upper level, and do the same thing, which is modeling the walls. Now basically I will not do it, so I will show you that I have finished already the walls, and I will start with the windows. So see you in the next video.